What up, YouTube? Making a video on bricks, more bricks, packs, whole bunch of stuff. Cleaning out some stuff. Got a lot of new stuff that y'all haven't seen. Some y'all have seen already, but in previous videos. But oh well. I'm just rewrapping some stuff. Gonna put it away in the barn. Make room for other stuff. So yeah. Got some cherry bombs here. Cherry bomb bricks. 4016s. I think y'all seen these bomb logo. Here's another one. Jumping jack logo. Or whatever. Wrap. But all these have bomb logo cracker thunder bombs in them. And then this one, 5400 jumping jack logo. It has thunder bombs in there too, bomb logos. And I just got this one. This is a real nice one. Macau brick, color packs. It's a real nice brick right there. Some flying dragons, 4012, 4016, 8016, 2050. That's a real nice one, and a 4050, 1.5s. I had to rewrap those two, but you don't see a lot of flying dragons. But yeah, I'll make a video on some black cat bricks. I added a lot of black cat bricks to the collection. Some y'all have already seen, but a lot that are new. Just haven't made videos in a while. But yeah. Thanks for watching my video. I'll be posting some more videos here soon.